Leadership is coping up with change. The persons who can adopt and adapt can move forward. It's a mindset issue, has been said very well in all these panel discussions. I don't want to elaborate it further. As long as you got the right mindset to change yourself, and then you can always adapt to it. That is the second message I have realized. And on the lighter vein, today we are talking, it's a Valentine's Day. I think, I don't know I should wish or not, but I would say happy Valentine's Day to all. In this context, I want to say about my experience. I want to give 2 or 3 anecdotes and close it in a few minutes. You said, what is the policy you can change? But AA will not teach you that. I think you need to adopt. This is based on your experience. Let me say one thing. Being a multinational, we said blood relatives should not work in the company. Okay. It's a time when I started hiring from the business schools. And every time I make an offer, I would definitely come with this, say, this fellow will not join you because his fiancée or girlfriend, batchmate, is posted in Mumbai. So she can't join in Delhi. So then I realized, after a few years, why can't I waive with this rule? But I need to go to London to get the change the rule. So it is a very difficult process. But I think AA will not teach you. I think it is context in which you operate. What is good for you, what is not good for you need to teach. I'm saying in a lighter vein in the Valentine, ultimately can you believe in 6 years' time, we had 10 couples in the company who are married, and they are happily married today.